Hey guys, Ryan Steinelson here. I am the president of Accelerate Marketing, a digital marketing agency that's based out of South Florida. We've been around for about 15 years, helping businesses throughout the world, thousands of businesses over the last 15 years, generate an additional $100,000 a month in revenue and create the business that they really enjoy running themselves because they don't have to wear so many hats. We do that primarily by generating a continuous stream of pre-qualified, pre-sold leads for businesses and business owners. And we do that through Google Local Service Ads optimization and Google Business Profile optimization. Those are two different platforms that Google runs. And I'll show you today's primarily about the Google Local Service Ads platform. I'm also going to be talking about artificial intelligence today because I've got some agency owners that are going to jump on that specifically have some questions about that and how they can leverage artificial intelligence to automate that lead generation and automate the follow-up and everything after the fact for the leads that they're generating for their business. So there's Nathaniel.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good. What's up?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You're a new agency owner. And I think that the conversation that we'll have is going to be one that other people can benefit from. And first, let me know a little bit about your agency so I can understand what you're looking to do and how I can help you and support you.
Yeah, so I stumbled across working in the marketing realm when I met an agency owner of about 300 clients. I was in a different industry. I was selling staffing services. And I meet this guy and I'm trying to sell him staffing services. And he's like, no, dude, I don't need any staffing. But if you have clients that need marketing, send them my way. And I was like, I don't know anybody who needs marketing. Well, then the next couple of weeks, I stumbled across a dentist who was good on staffing, but he goes, I'm trying to get some more clients in here. So then I made the connection. That deal went through. And then the agency owner gave me a 20% cut of that deal. So that sparked my interest. I said, wow, this is interesting. Then I think to myself, what's the best service that I'm selling? It was local service as Google Guarantee. So I thought to myself, if I just learn the service, I don't have to give all my clients to this marketing agency. I could just do it myself. And that has been a success so far.
Okay, so you are fairly new to the agency business, and we'll add Nick on here as well in a second. So Nick, there's Nick. What's up?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good. So Nick also is somewhat of an agency owner. Would you say that you're an agency owner, Nick?
I would say that, yeah, in some form we are. We got a community, so.
All right. So have you heard the AI that we have or no?
I've heard you talk about it.
You can actually use AI to actually take inbound phone calls and it can make outbound phone calls. Okay. And that's one of the things that's very unique about our agent is that it's one agent for all communication. A lot of people, including people that have watched my videos, have set up their own AI agents and they've set up a separate agent for text and for voice. And I would say that that's a mistake because what you're doing is you're managing two different agents and they're not using the same knowledge base. Because the problem that these guys have, Nathaniel and Nick, is these business owners that want to rank high and they want to show up as number one on the Google Local Service Ad section is they don't know that every time that they miss a phone call or they miss a message lead, they are killing their rankings. I'm going to say it again. If they miss a phone call or they don't respond to a message lead within 30 seconds, their rankings are going to go down. I don't care how many reviews you get. I don't care how optimized your radius is. They're going to lose position and they're going to lose leads. And these guys call me crying every single day going, oh my gosh, what the hell? Why did I go from 3,000 people calling me a month to like 0? You know what I'm saying? And it happens every single day. Like
them picking up the phone call.
Yeah, they're not answering the phone. So what happens is we send them the leads, but they don't answer the phone. Okay. So these guys need to have some sort of backup, and a call service does not work. The call services, what they do is they put the people that call in on a music hold and they don't tell you that. Okay. And so about 30% of the phone calls go to music hold and Google counts those as being missed calls and the rankings plummet and the lead volume plummets. I'm going to show you on my phone how thorough that the AI agent is. I was on a phone call today and the AI agent handles all of our inbound message leads. We don't handle them anymore. It takes the person through a 5-step question process. It qualifies them better than a human does. Okay. because it actually restates what their goal is, and then it asks them the questions so the person feels heard.
Does it sound like a human?
Oh, I'm going to show you in a second. And I just want you to remember that this same agent can do the same thing for a pool company, for a cleaning company, for any type of company. And it really is very inexpensive. We have a reseller program for this as well. So you can resell it, or you can just become an affiliate if you want and make a percentage. Let me just play the AI agent 1 second, okay?
Hi, it's Casey. What's the potential legal case you want to discuss?
Hey, Casey. I'm in Florida. I just wanted to see if I have a case or not.
All right, I can help with that. Could you tell me a bit about the incident and who you believe was at fault?
Yeah, I think it was the other person. Yeah, it happened about 3 months ago. Was that within the statute of limitations for the state of Florida?
Yes, typically the statute of limitations for personal injury cases in Florida is 4 years. You're still within the time frame to file a claim. Can you tell me more about your injuries and if you sought medical treatment?
Yeah, so my neck was injured and I did seek medical treatment within I think it was 20 days.
It's good that you sought medical treatment promptly. This can help establish a link between the incident and your injury.
Okay. So what it did is it knows when all those questions are answered a certain way to transfer the call immediately to the attorney. But let me go one more time. Hold on.
Hi, it's Casey. What's the potential legal case you want to discuss?
Hey, Casey, I've got a case, I think, but I would really want to talk to a human. Are you able to text me a link to schedule an appointment?
I've just sent you a link to schedule an appointment.
Oh.
Feel free to use it to set up a time that works for you.
Okay. And then, I also, did you speak Spanish?
Sí. Hablo español. ¿Puedo ayudarte con algo en español?
Yeah. And also, do you speak French? Parlez-vous français?
Oui, je parle français. Comment puis-je vous aider en français?
Okay. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you for your help. So you can really have it go down pretty much any path in probably about, I'd say 3 to 6 months. You're not even going to be able to tell that it's an agent, but people are going to prefer to have an AI agent because they have the full knowledge of the entire internet. They do have much more access to much more knowledge than any human does. The big pain point that these business owners have is that they constantly have to be retraining people in their intake department, especially attorneys. They are constantly having to retrain their intake to say the right thing. And inevitably, even though they train them, they don't say the right thing. The thing that's great about the AI is that you train it one time and it knows what to do forever. It's very smooth, as you can tell, in terms of its delivery, and it can take as many phone calls as you throw at it at any given moment, thousands at once if you wanted it to. It's completely scalable, and the AI answering the phone and responding to text messages and responding to chat on the website is just the entry level way to get into the business. So the booking is the next step. We get the contact to go into the Service Titan CRM, and then from there it goes into booking, and the AI agent handles the booking process. So what we're doing is we're plugging all of that into one agent. After that, there's the invoice. So there's an agent for invoicing. And then finally, we've got an AI agent that makes an outbound phone call after everything's done and says, hey, I know Fred came out there to fix your toilet. How was the experience? Was Fred on time and everything? And if it was a good experience, what happens is the AI agent goes, okay, I'm going to text you a link to leave a review. And I'm also going to text you a suggested review that you can also just copy and paste into the Google Business Profile. Is that okay? And then the AI agent waits for the person to do it to see if the review's been left. And then it says, thank you, have a great day. And if the person doesn't leave a review, it'll follow up one time after 3 to 5 days and do the same thing. I don't have any problem managing my local service ads. All my colleagues are pulling out their hair because they can't get their businesses LSA to keep ranking high, and they can't figure out why. I know why. It's because they don't have AI. And they're not leveraging a tool that answers the phone that gives Google what it wants. I'm just telling you, this is what nobody else in the space is talking about. And the only reason why I know this is because I focused on local service ads and Google Business Profile for the last 15 years. So I know what Google's looking for.